Xiaomi Global Themes. Dark Mode Icon Pack. Dark UI. Icon Animation. Double tap. HyperOS 2 lock screen theme. Custom your wallpapers. Clock style. If you can't find theme in Global Store, download my backup file in video description. Change wallpaper style. Select custom wallpaper. First, import original wallpaper file, JPG format. Enable depth effect. Next, import transparent background image, PNG format. Blur effect. Import any depth effect wallpapers. Custom clocks color. Custom text. Next theme. Swipe down to custom clock color. SYCN with home screen clock widget. Custom lock screen wallpapers. Enable depth effect. Try another wallpaper. You can find wallpapers in video description. All themes available on Global Store. If you can't find it, use my backup file to restore. Thanks for watching video. See you in next video coming soon.